multiply the following numbers using the base 1000. Now here our base is 1000 and 1000 has 3 zeros. So the second part of the answer or right part of the answer will have 3 digits in it. Now we apply all from 9 and the last from 10 on 992. 9 from 9 is 0. Again 9 from 9 is 0. And 2 from 10 is, last from 10 is 8. Here we have 0, 0 and the last 9 from 10 is 1. Now first part of the answer is we cross subtract. We can do this 992 minus 1 is 991, or we can also do this subtraction. It will give us the same answer. And second part of the answer is we multiply these two. 8 times 1 is 8, but we'll write 0, 0, 8 as we have to cover 3 digits. So the answer is 991008. Here same 1000 is the base. This is 007 far from 1000 and this is 003 far from 1000. And then we cross subtract. Left part of the answer will be 993 minus 3 is 990. First part of the answer. Second part of the answer is 7 times 3 is 21. But we'll write 021 as we have to cover 3 places because our base has 3 zeros. Again here 1000 is the base. 005. Here also 005. We have applied all from 9 and the last from 10 on 995. First part of the answer is 995 minus 5 is 990. And second part of the answer is 5 times 5, that is 25. But we'll write 025. We have to cover 3 places. Now here we have 1000 as the base. 990 is 10 far from 1000 and this 990 is also 10 far from 1000. First part of the answer is 990 minus 10. It will be 980. And second part of the answer is we multiply these two deficiencies. 10 times 10 is 100 and we have 3 digits, so that's our answer 980100. Here also the base is 1000. 996 is 004 far from 1000 and 900 is 100 far from 1000. So the first part of the answer is 996 minus 100. That will be 896. And second part of the answer is 4 times 100. That is 400. That's our final answer. 896400. Here we have 1000 as the base. 9 from 9 is 0. This 8 from 9 is 1. And this 9 from 10 is 1 also. Here we have the same 11 far from 1000. First part of the answer is 989 minus 11 is 978. And that's first part of the answer. Second part of the answer is we multiply these two deficiencies. 11 times 11 is 121 and that's our final answer. Here multiply the following numbers using the base 1000. Here our base is 1000. 9 from 9 is 0. 7 from 9 is 2 and this 9 from 10 is 1. And here also we have 001 when we apply the formula. And first part of the answer is 979 minus 1 is 978. And second part of the answer is we multiply these two deficiencies. 21 times 1 is 21. But we'll write 021 because we have to cover 3 spaces as we have 3 zeros in the base. So here also we have 1000 as the base because they are 3 digits. And 9 from 9 is 0, 6 from 9 is 3, and 5 from 10 is 5. Here also 9 from 9 is 0, this 9 from 9 is 0, and this 8 from 10 is 2. Now first part of the answer is 965 minus 2 is 963, and second part of the answer is 35 times 2, that is 70, but we'll write 070 as we have to cover 3 spaces because we have 3 zeros in our base. And this is the last question of this video. Here the base is 1000, 9 from 9 is 0, this 4 from 9 is 5, and this 4 from 10 is 6. And here 9 from 9 is 0, 9 from 9 is 0, and this 7 from 10 is 3. So first part of the answer is 944 minus 3 is 941, and second part of the answer is we multiply 56 by 3. 3 times 50 is 150, and 3 times 6 is 18. 150 and 18 is 168, and 168 is a 3-digit number, so we don't need to do anything else. That's our final answer, 941168.